So, yesterday was Sunday, and I'm spend my time with my family. Look at this, my family's new dream that is getting shape. Now, that's the main thing. I just saw that naughty monkey gang who stole farmers' whole and soul from their farm. So look at this monkey. He just told that maybe there is some vegetables are there, and there are a gang of monkey who just enjoy. But the main thing is, if we are uh, if we are watching this from outside, definitely it's fun for us. But as a farmer, it's not that great thing for them. Look how hungry that monkey is. We as a people going for the jungle safari, and if they are coming, then why we feel unsafe? That is the question. So, with this beautiful memory, I came back to home. Like, share, subscribe.